to my eyes. Good morning, guys. From sunny side of Ilsan. I just put on some skincare. My face has been super dry lately. And for some reason, this side of my eyes is so dry. Every time I blink, it's like rubbing on my eyes in a really like dry and a very unpleasant way, if you guys know what I mean. It's really painful. I'm hoping my eyes are okay. Okay, today we're gonna have a guest. Evan is coming today. We're gonna film something on my main channel and also for my Indonesian channel, and then we're just gonna chill and cook Indonesian food and things like that. So it's gonna be a really chill day. I love having friends over. I can be a host and I can just like, you know, cook for them, give them food, give them some souvenir. I just like doing that. So yeah, so he's gonna come over today. We're just gonna chill, so hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, let's get it started. I feel good. 이거 너무 커. 왜 이렇게 커? 올려. 짜라? 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 요! 갖고 와. 스트레칭 할까? 스트레칭? Ow! Oh my god, 감자, you're so heavy. 아파. 가자. 후. 갖고 와. Good boy. Yeah. Right here. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. 가자. 가자. Go. I'm in my guest room. Trust me, guys, my guest room looks so much better than my own room. But I'm just gonna take a quick nap. Nap. I'm just gonna take a quick nap. I don't know why I'm so sleepy. Oh no, sunlight. Let me show you guys my current favorite Korean YouTuber. Her username is Ondo. I love her channel because it's so minimal. And I really love how she's a dahyesunny, because I'm a dahyesunny too. Dahyesunny means like you're an introvert, you don't like going out. I'm actually the type of person who doesn't really like going out. I'd rather have friends over in my house than going out. I don't know, I just feel like I've been really like so comfortable in my own bubble lately. And I'm too scared to go out in a place where they have a lot of people. I've always been an introvert, it's just that I never talked about it. It looked like I'm an extrovert, but I'm not. Whenever I go to like a really crowded area or events, it really gives me anxiety. Yeah, there was this one event I almost broke down because I just couldn't take it. So that's why I haven't been going to a lot of like events in Korea. And I usually ask brands to just send me the PR packages instead so that I can feature it in my unboxing videos and things like that. I don't know, I don't feel comfortable. And if you guys are introverts like me, you guys will know what I'm talking about. I just really don't like going out in a really crowded area. A lot of my close friends know this. Like I feel really uncomfortable meeting in a big group as well, like big group of friends. I just like the idea of having a lot of people in one room scares me. So yeah. And I don't mind just spending the whole day by myself or like just spending time with Kamja, because I like spending time by myself, and I like having like some quality time, like reading and then doing some home cafe, trying to come up with like interesting like coffee drinks, and yeah. I don't know, I just feel like talking today. In a lot of my vlogs before, like a few years ago, or like the one from last year, I rarely like lie down like this and talk to you guys. So yeah. Also, one of my 2019 resolution is to upload more on this channel and for you guys to get to know me better. Yeah. Yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna take a nap and I'll see you guys in a bit. Hi. Welcome.
Hi.
Hi, Kevin.
Hi.
Welcome.
Saling nge-vlog nih.
Ella, kamja Ella. Dia takut.
왜 이렇게 무서워해? 손 주세요.
Kamja 손.
손.
Kamja 손.
손.
Deketin.
손.
Dia mal.
Yeah. 이쪽 손.
Bukan yang gini. I'm introducing Kevin with Netflix. We're watching Black Mirror, one of my favorite.
They have horses.
Ini maksudnya punya future ada kalian.
What if to fix us? But what if games?
After you.
Agak-agak nostalgia nggak sih? Okay guys, we had so much fun and Kevin's gonna go back, but tomorrow we'll meet up again because we're gonna vlog something really fun together.
Yeah, it's 3 days in a row.
3 days in a row we hung out, so yeah, see you!
It's been fun, bye!
One of my 2019 resolution is to go back on reading habits. I got this one as a present from Mime. She got me like a couple of books because she knows that I really like reading. Just that I didn't have time like all this time, so I kept this book so that I can read later on. So finally, today is the day, you guys. And this is by Catherine Arden, The Bear and the Nightingale. Apparently it's a really good book, so I want to start reading from tonight. And I'll update you guys because I feel like my English vocabulary has been going down the drain and I just haven't been speaking in English a lot, so I really need to get back and read more and try to watch more Western movies and things like that. So yeah, I'm gonna read this and then go to bed. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't and like this video. And I'm also on social media. I'll link everything on the description box below. And I'll see you guys next time. Annyeong!